So before attaching your hair system, it's essential to prepare your scalp properly. Think of this step as preparing the landing zone, a clean, smooth, oil-free surface that helps your adhesive bond better and last longer. Good scalp prep not only gives you a stronger hold, but also helps protect your skin and prevent irritation. Now the first step is washing your scalp. We recommend using a scalp scrub to remove any dead skin or debris, then you want to pat it dry. Once you've done that, you want to grab the clippers and make sure you shave all the remaining hair off of your head. Now, an important thing with this is you want to go in the same direction as your hair growth to prevent irritation. All right, we're all done there. A quick reminder, Clippercide is a great product to actually spray on your clippers. It prevents infection and is all around a great product for sustaining the life of your clippers. Next step is you want to just pat your head with a dry towel. This will remove the excess hair. Next up, you want to grab your isopropyl alcohol, cotton swabs, and dab that across your head. This will help finish cleaning the attachment area and also disinfect at the same time. And once you're done that, you just want to give it a few seconds to dry. All right, once the alcohol has dried, if you notice any cuts or boo-boos on your scalp, this right here is a great product. It's by KP Skin Med Antiseptic Liquid Bandage. It's actually a dabber, and you just dab it on these spots. That will help. And if you don't have to use that, or even if you happen to have to use that, the next step is to use Scalp Protector. This helps protect the skin, and not only that, it improves adhesion, especially for hot weather, for swimming, for sweating, oily skin, all that kind of stuff. Real simply, just take off the cap and spray it on. That'll take a few seconds to dry, and once you're done that, you're all set to go. And now it's time for your final check before applying the hair system. Make sure your scalp is completely dry, smooth, and oil-free. Avoid touching the area with your fingers since natural oils can reduce adhesion. Your scalp is now perfectly prepared, clean, protected, and ready for a strong, comfortable, and long-lasting bond with your hair system.